Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Discord friend notifications. So it is very easy, I'll show you how to do that, but you'll need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So as you can see, I have such notifications, so someone is online or someone is playing something, and I get really annoyed when I get these type of notifications and I want to turn off them. So to turn off these type of notifications, you need to go to the Discord on your phone or on your desktop and go and click on your profile in the bottom side of the screen, like that. Now here in the top right corner, you will need to click on the settings button to open the settings of Discord, and here scroll down just a little until you will find notifications. So click on the notifications, and here basically you need to scroll down once again until you will find the additional notifications, and here is the notification called Friends Online. As you can see, it means receive notifications when your friend comes online, and this is one of the options that allows you to get this type of annoying notifications that your friend is online. The next thing I'll suggest you to turn off is friend gaming activity, so you won't get notifications when someone is playing something, and you also can see other options here that you want or don't want to turn off, and go and turn them off if you want. And basically that is it. That is how you can turn off Discord friend notifications. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.